Hello everyone, let us integrate this function given to us. So we have that integral of x multiplied by root of 5x plus 1 dx. So the first thing we do here is to make a very simple substitution. So we have that let u be equal to root of 5x plus 1. So if we take the square of both sides, we have that this is u squared is equal to 5x plus 1. And we will have that 5x will be equal to u squared minus 1. And x is equal to u squared minus 1 divided by 5. So we have it that x is equal to 1 divided by 5, open bracket, u squared minus 1. So at this point, we can differentiate the x. So we have that the x will be equal to 1 divided by 5, 2u du. So we have been able to obtain the value for the x. So if we now substitute, so we have that this becomes integral of 1 divided by 5 multiplied by u squared minus 1, which is a value of x, multiplied by u, because we say that let u be equal to root of 5x plus 1. And also the x is equal to 2u du divided by 5. So if we simplify, this becomes integral of 1 divided by 25 u squared minus 1 multiplied by 2u squared du. Now at this point, 2 and 25 are constant, so we have that this becomes 2 divided by 25 integral of u squared minus 1 multiplied by u squared du. So if we open up the bracket, so this becomes 2 divided by 25 integral. So u squared times u squared is giving us u to the power of 4, and minus 1 times u squared is minus u squared, or enclosed in the bracket multiplied by du. So by integrating each term, we have that this becomes integral of u to the power of 4 du minus integral of u to the power of 2 du. Now we now have that this is 2 divided by 25, open the bracket. If we integrate u to the power of 4, we are left with u to the power of 5 divided by 5, minus, if we integrate u to the power of 2, we are left with u to the power of 3 divided by 3, and we introduce c, which is a constant of integration. But recall that u was giving us root of 5x plus 1. So therefore, we have it now to become 2 divided by 25. Open your bracket. We have root of 5x plus 1 all to the power of 5 divided by 5 minus root of 5x plus 1 all to the power of 3 divided by 3, enclosed in the bracket, plus c. So this becomes 2 divided by 25, open the bracket. We have that 5x plus 1 all to the power of 5 divided by 2, all divided by 5, minus 5x plus 1 all to the power of 3 divided by 2, all divided by 3, plus our constant of integration, c. Now at this point, we will now use 25 to multiply the denominator. So we have this to become 2, open bracket, 5x plus 1 to the power of 5 divided by 2, all divided by 25 times 5 is 125, minus, also we have 2, open your bracket, 5x plus 1 to the power of 3 divided by 2, or divide by 25 times 3 is 75 plus c. Now at this point, we have been able to integrate the function. Thank you so much, and we appreciate you for watching our video. If you know you found the video helpful, please encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and we will see you in our next video. Bye.